Guys, check it out. I found some street food, we can say. What are you selling over here?
We got chicken fried rice and we have shrimp fried rice right here. Yeah.
And y'all make this at home and bring it over here?
Oh, yeah.
All right, it's shrimp fried rice.
We got shrimp. And then we got chicken right here.
All right, sweet.
You can get the combo.
You can get the combo. What's the combo?
The combo, we have chicken and shrimp, but we sold out.
Oh, like a mixed one.
Yeah, we gotta mix like
Usually
chicken and shrimp.
In the morning, she does that. That's like my favorite. I always come to her. She's always like that girl that sells me that good stuff. High protein. You're drinking. You want to get your protein in?
And homemade
Come to my
food.
girl.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna be selling fruit bowls. I'm gonna do pasta. So every time I'm out here, it's always gonna be like different food.
So like, what are the days?
So I'm just doing the weekends right now. So until
Friday,
then,
Saturday?
yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So for the most part, and then I want to expand. If it gets busy,
Right.
I'll do during the week. But I'll be in South Beach.
Types of cash form, whatever, cash, Venmo, Zelle, whatever you want to do, she got you.
Gold?
What is it?
You take gold?
What gold?
take gold.
Gold? Oh my god.
You take whatever you want.
Yeah, if you want to pay me in jewelry, that's fine.
whatever.
Like a necklace, a nice anklet.
And this is all Asian food.
Yeah, this is Asian for today. This is my favorite cuisine.
Screaming black.
All right, that was a quick pause there because the music, we don't want any copyright strikes. All right, so you're doing Asian food, but you do like all types of food too, or?
Yes.
All right,
It's
cool.
all. Yep.
All right, you take card over here?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take 2 of them. How much are they?
What would you like? The shrimp or chicken?
I want 1 of each.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see which one's better. It's good, right?
Yeah, 100%.
All I do is travel and eat, so
Look,
I
I
know.
got my 2.
So they're your 2. They also run
Yeah,
the
they
business
bought
with
today.
you, or
They bought today.
Listen, this is my girls' business. We're just here to support all the time. Like,
supporting the hustle?
ladies, listen, for all you ladies paying attention, you better support girls all the time because we are independent girls, but guess what? We are boss bitches together. We're hot bitches united. This is my girl right here, bro.
Bitches United.
We're hot bitches united. Hot bitches united all
Hot
day.
bitches,
In Miami,
HBUs.
that's what it is. I'm hungry. I'm just here for the food.
You just take for.
Amen. Amen.
No, but this is the girl to talk to, bro.
Right, and y'all are like best friends?
Yes.
All right, cool,
As
cool.
of 12 o'clock today.
As I told, oh y'all just, nah, no way. She's talking shit.
But like I said, always support your local business,
Yes.
local
Right.
entrepreneurs.
And y'all from Miami?
No, I'm from Michigan.
I'm from Maryland, but we live here in Miami.
We live in Miami.
Well, welcome to my city.
This is my city.
Huh?
You're from Miami?
Yeah.
Born and raised?
I was born in Venezuela. Since I'm 5, I live here.
Okay, you're from
And I've been
Miami.
traveling the last 6 years, but I just come back to visit my mom. That's my mom.
Are you a mama's boy?
Hi, Mom. Hey, yeah.
That's my mom, yeah.
Oh my God, you
Oh, that's your mom?
Yeah, that's my
Oh
mom.
my god, hi mom.
My mom.
Huh?
Your mom is,
Guess how old she is?
your mom is 40. No, she's 25.
Nah, you're way off.
She's 25.
Add like a dove to that.
You're like 40. She's 25.
She's 62.
Oh my god, mom. Oh my god.
You're
Listen.
No, she's 62. I said.
Yeah,
¿Y el
mom got
secreto?
good
¿Y el secreto cuál es?
exercise, eat good, sleeping good,
And work out and have sex.
party,
Y el hashtag. And hashtag.
orgasm.
Exercise.
Ese es my secret. Exercise, sleeping good, no draw, no
I don't know
alcohol.
We got alcohol, we got tequila in here.
Yeah, it's all good. Don't worry.
Dale, mami, eres bella.
Mucha fruta, vegetales, ejercicio, dormir bien.
Eres bella. For real.
Gracias, mi amor. Ustedes también son muy
Like pay the
hermosos.
Ella no
girl.
cocina y todo.
Pollo y camarón.
Pollo camarón. And what are you, Puerto Rican, Cuban?
I'm Puerto Rican by association.
And you?
I'm Middle Eastern. I'm from Iraq.
You didn't hear
Iraq.
me. I'm Puerto
I'm Middle
Rican.
Eastern, yeah.
I'm
Mom and
Puerto
dad from
Rican.
Iraq.
Yes.
Wait, I'm Puerto Rican by association, but I'm Brazilian at heart.
You're what?
I said I'm Puerto Rican by association, but I'm Brazilian at heart.
Brazilian. Okay, samba.
At heart.
Y você?
Brasileira.
Brasileira.
Oh my God.
Oh, I was over there for Carnival. That was lit.
Hey.
That is a party.
Happy the people. Tell me Brazilian people are not the happiest people
I
you've
love
ever
that
met.
outfit.
Listen, I love Brazil a lot. Mucho, muito. Brazil, muito bom. La festa, caipirinhas, $5 caipirinhas all day. Black beans with everything. I
We were
freaking
eating and I
love
was
it.
like, hold on, let me take a good picture.
Yo,
Okay.
listen, but honestly, aren't they the friendliest people? That's what I see. Like Brazilians are just
Venezuela, Colombia, and Brazil is just heaven. That's where I'm at. You go to the people, everybody. Like the beach is different. People will socialize more.
Yeah.
Everybody's drinking a lot more music.
Absolutely.
South Beach wasn't like this before. Hold on, let's do it. Let's do
Oh,
it.
yeah, good business, mama. Congratulations.
So like
Okay.
I said,
So this is Bebes Foodies.
Yes.
Bianca Hanosh.
yes, so I do private events, cooking lessons, meal prep, cookie business, whatever you
Do you
want.
make like some sort of biryani?
Biryani? Yeah, I make biryani.
You don't have biryani right now.
I don't have biryani right now,
Oh,
but I know how to.
Lord,
Biryani is one of my favorites.
That's my favorite food of all time.
I love biryani.
Mutton biryani.
All our attitudes
The food is good. They
and our
approve.
5 personalities.
All right, everybody.
Yeah, they were the first customer today.
Oh yeah.
Our first customer today.
Sweet, sweet.
Enjoy. Thank you for
I'm
supporting.
gonna try it right now. Let's see what's up. Alrighty, guys, let's give this chicken fried rice a go. Oh man, that chicken is seasoned. That is tasty.
I told you.
This is tasty.
All fresh ingredients, so we have cabbage, carrots, peas, garlic, ginger, very fresh.
I have a question for you that I've been doing with the video. What would a guy have to do to get your number out here?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Charisma, shy guys, outgoing guys, tall, short, dad bod.
Whatever clicks, who knows at this point.
Oh my god, this rice though.
And wait till you try the shrimp.
No, this is a 10 out of 10. Literally,
Every-
it almost tastes like, it doesn't taste like a biryani, it's way different, but it's just very flavorful. It's a very flavorful dish.
Fresh ingredients, when we make it with love, this is what you get.
Right. No, this is good. This is good.
I want you to try the shrimp.
The shrimp? Alright, let me try the
Try
shrimp
the
one.
shrimp. It's
Let me
so
try the
good.
Let's try the shrimp.
Try the shrimp.
So what time do you wake up to make all this stuff?
So I prep at nighttime and then cook it in the morning, get here 12, 1 o'clock.
You have like a big pot to make the rice or
You make it in batches.
in batches?
Yeah, you do batch cooking.
Hey, this is delicious. Let me try this rice because maybe with the shrimp, or it's the same rice?
It's the same rice,
Okay.
different protein.
Different protein?
Yeah.
Delicious. I'm gonna go with that chicken. Tell me about it. As soon as I bit the chicken, it was spot on. It was spot on. Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Delicious.
welcome. And like it's a good size, good portion. This is good for leftover. And if you have lettuce wraps, make a lettuce wrap. It's gonna be so refreshing when you get home. A nice crisp romaine with this and some like hot sauce.
And fresh veggies, right? Everything.
And then if
fresh.
you want to put some avocado on top, if you want extra soy sauce, but this is good on its own. And then next week I want to sell like fruit bowls. So I'll sell fruit bowl and then I'll do pasta, just to switch it up.
You see, you guys need to come check her out in South Beach. Let me see. Look at this girl. I got it. Look at this girl, guys. She's gorgeous. She can open an OnlyFans or something, but she's out here hustling, making these dishes, selling on the beach, guys. And good food is not just like regular food. It's really good. This does not taste nothing like frozen Asian fried rice or nothing. This is the real deal.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Guys, check it out. Look at all the stuff she's making. I saw the pineapple right there. You don't have that one right now?
And then look at this is the cookie page. We got Oreo cookies, cheesecake, vegan.
Wow, mama, you like it good?
Alright, you're definitely gonna blow up with this. You need to start pushing
The goal is to have a restaurant
a restaurant right here on South Beach.
anywhere in Miami. I want to be South Beach, Wynwood, North Beach. I want to be everywhere in Miami.
Yeah, she's an entrepreneur. She's on it. Guys, this food is so delicious. I have to find out how she made it. So please explain. How was this? What's the preparation for this? Because the flavors are just bursting.
So we're doing everything fresh. We're doing fresh garlic, fresh ginger, carrots, scallions, sauteing it, adding the rice, cutting the chicken fresh, marinating the chicken and shrimp for over 24 hours, cooking it, frying it fresh. Everything's super fresh.
And you can taste it, guys. The moment I bit that chicken, it almost reminded me of the moment I first tried biryani with the rice. It was just an explosion in my mouth. It is that good.